Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey, welcome back to Papa Bear Resells. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go thrifting at our favorite thrift store. First we're gonna go buy Mama Bear coffee and bring it to her. Kind of surprise her for a lunch break. It's our first time recording in a thrift store, so we'll see how it goes.
Okay, go ahead.
Can I get a medium iced caramel swirl with cream? Say what you want.
Thank you.
Alright, so we're back home. I'm going to show you what I got. We did stop at Walmart to grab hot dog hamburger buns, and I looked at the clearance section and I got 3 things there that I'll show you. That's pretty cool. Check it out. Charlie Bear, what are you doing? You want to eat that VCR? What? What are you doing, bro? I love you, bro. Alright, so I hit the section at Walmart, the clearance section, getting hamburger buns. And I found these Zebco, look at the price, $1.40 from $10. Zebco 404, and they're some kind of fishing reel. I'll show you comps up here, but I should be able to get at least my 10 or maybe a couple extra bucks for this. But hey, I think stuff like this is pretty cool, so I got it. I got 2 of them. I don't know if I'll lot them together or what, but I think this was a a decent buy. This I got for $17, and it's usually $69.97. As you see, I looked up comps, and it sold recently for that price right there, and a couple months ago it sold at $88. I'll show both comps. I'm going to meet it in the middle, started at $74.99 with some shipping, 17 bucks. I think that was a pretty good find too. At the thrift store, this is what we found. I love that thrift store. It's pretty cool in there. All their shoes are $2 or $1 for children. So let me show you what I got. What's up, Chuck? What are you doing, bro? You want to join in? What's that? Just some new old stock. It's a vintage car stereo installation kit. I think it's from 1998. Yeah, I don't think I saw sold comps for this one, but I saw listed comps, and they're up there for 20 to 25 bucks. So maybe I'll just list it a little lower and get rid of it. One thing that I messed up on, I show you the mess ups too, I'm not going to just show you the goods, is I bought these full page magnifiers, set of 2, and hopefully I get it in the video because it was a little high up. At the end I grabbed these little black like clipboard looking things. So I grabbed these black clipboard things and I didn't know what they were, and they were $1, so I put them back. That's actually what goes with the magnifier things, so I don't think they have any separate values, so I'm gonna go and grab, there was 2 of them for $1 a piece, and that was $1. So, and try to bundle it up and just save that one, because I think that was a pretty bad buy. Next are these Nikes. I told you they're $2 for the shoes. Show you that. That's adult shoes. These are pretty beat, but they sell for $30 in good condition. For $2, and then Nike, I just grabbed it. Nike Mavens. So I thought that was cool. I love getting sneakers there. Even if I don't list them right away, I just stash them. Next is probably the best find in there. It's a Sony DVD and VHS. They test their stuff, so if it doesn't work, they'll put on this sticker right here, not working. They got the remote with it. I should get about 90 bucks, $80 to $90 for this, and I paid $10 for that. So that was a really good find at that place. $2 boots, leather boots. What's cool about these is they're Harley Davidson. They're a size 6. That's not a very popular size that sells. Usually you see 8.5s and 9s on the sold comps. I think the comps on that should sell. We should get in between $20 and $30 for them at least. So for all this, we paid $18. I did buy my daughter, my youngest one, a prize. A little keyboard thing. So 18 bucks, and that's gonna have some pretty good profit there. A little thrift store run, and then the retail arbitrage will just round up 17, 18, 19, 20, $21 I spent there. So that should be pretty good too. Alright, so that was my first thrift store video. I went to a little small place, not like a Goodwill yet. I feel so weird walking in there with a camera. I can do it. I can walk into tag sales and stuff all day, but walking into a store with a camera is kind of a little nerve-wracking for me. I don't know if they'll tell me, like, I'm going to hook it up. It's how I hook it up. The bag? What do I do? I don't know. So anyway, that was my first one. I went in with the book bag, had it clipped. I had a lot of fun. I found a couple of cool things, not too much, but yeah, it was fun. Hey, I had a good time. Hope you had a good time. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, push the like button, the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.